I'm sure you've heard the news. Scott Hall, aka Razor Ramon, was one of WWE's most unforgettable characters. Scott Hall, the man behind the bad guy persona, became a wrestling icon in the 90s. With his gold chains, slick hair and Cuban accent, Razor Ramon was the epitome of cool. Hall's charisma and in-ring talent made him a fan favorite, and his ladder match with Shawn Michaels, legendary. But Scott Hall wasn't just a character, he was a revolutionary in wrestling, co-founding the NWO and changing the landscape of the industry forever. Despite his personal struggles, Hall's impact on wrestling is undeniable. So next time you see Razor Ramon flick that toothpick, remember the man who made it all possible. Scott Hall, the true bad guy.
In my lifetime, I've learned hard work pays off. Dreams come true. Bad times don't last, but bad guys do.
Yo, Chico, welcome to another edition of Pop Out of the Box 1 with Uncle Dan. And this episode, we're going to be unboxing a Funko Pop about Razor Ramon. Razor Ramon from the WWE. Well, I almost said F, but no, E. In that time it was F, but anyway. Razor Ramon is Scott Hall, a great wrestler. He passed away, sadly, but he was one of the great wrestlers that I love. And he was, at first, Razor Ramon, kind of a bad guy, right? And after that, he went to WCW and became part of the NWO. Also bad guys, right? So that he still kind of had the Razor Ramon edge, Razor edge, and he was pretty cool. So here he is, Razor Ramon. Razor Ramon, look at that. He's pretty cool, right? With his gold around his neck. Pretty cool. Here he is on the side of the box. The back of the box. There's the Rock. He's pretty cool, right? And well, the other guys are not the same era, but Braun Strowman, big guy, really cool, and Alexa Bliss, who was not at the time, but with anyway, but they're out there, and we're gonna be unboxing him right now for you guys because he's so cool. All right. Let's do this. And here he is, Razor Ramon, Scott Hall. So cool, right? Look at that. So you're going to see him more in details at the end of this video, like always. And why don't you subscribe and like and leave a comment, right? Right, Chico? So see you soon, and don't go watch the other videos. They're pretty cool also. Okay, bye.
In my lifetime, I've learned hard work pays off. Dreams come true. Bad times don't last, but bad guys do.